Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Homescapes application on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. To download Homescapes on your iPhone first, make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, launch Open App Store. Now into the search box type in Homescapes and search. Once you find the Homescapes application from Playrix, simply go ahead and tap on the Get button to begin the download process. Homescapes is a popular mobile puzzle game developed by Playrix. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. The game is a combination of match 3 puzzles and a home renovation simulation. Once you've done downloading the application, tap on the Open button to launch Open the app, and that's how you can easily download Homescapes application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.